Hi everyone. In this video today, we will talk about international patent filing. So there are circumstances when companies or individual inventors they want to file their patent application outside India. So in this video, I will explain to you what are the different ways you can file application outside India and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the modes of filing patent application outside India. As you know, that patent rights are territorial. That means your Indian patent is valid only in India, your US patent is valid only in the US. So, if you want to have protection outside India, you have to file your patent application outside India. And there is nothing called as international patent. It is always international filing, that how you can file outside India. But there is no authority which can grant you international patent. So if you are resident of India, you have two ways to file your application outside India. The first way is to you file application in India, wait for 6 weeks, and then you can file in any foreign country wherever you want. If you do not want to file your application at all in India, then you can seek foreign filing permission from Indian Patent Office, and taking that permission or license from Indian Patent Office, you can file in the foreign countries. So you should never file your application outside India without either filing in India or seeking foreign filing permission from Indian Patent Office. Now, when it comes to foreign filing, there could be various reasons why you want to file a foreign application because your foreign application is going to be expensive. It's going to cost you. So you have to first of all list out the reason why you want to file your application in a foreign country. There may be various reasons, like you may have your potential of your invention better outside India than in India. Your investors may like you to have your foreign application, and then you should also find out consequences of not filing a foreign patent. That if you skip foreign filing in US or Europe, what could be the consequences? At times, it happens such that the business opportunities in foreign countries is better. You may have a better market in the US, or you may have a better opportunity in the US or Europe, or you may have plans, future plans to establish your business in different countries. So, in those cases, it makes a lot of sense to file a foreign patent application in addition to your Indian filing. Most important thing you should consider while filing foreign application is you should see your budget. Each and every country costs you, and it's not just filing your application, but after you file your application there is prosecution, and even if patent is granted, uh, then you have to pay renewal fee periodically to respective patent office. So you must find out the cost of filing, grant, prosecution, and renewal in each and every country where you want to file your application. Because if your patent is not going to give you any returns in due course of time, then you will be spending a lot of money in foreign filing and you may not have expected returns. And there are ways to file a foreign application, and you must opt for the right route to file your foreign application. So, I will explain to you in this video. Uh, there are two ways to file patent application in foreign countries. The first way is that you can opt for convention application route, and the second is PCT application route. I will explain to you both these methods of foreign filing in detail, and you can choose one of them to file your foreign application. And you must find out what is the most cost effective, and process wise also the process that you opt for has to be effective. Now, convention application route. So, one of the oldest convention of intellectual property rights is Paris Convention. So, there are a set of countries that are member of Paris Convention, and those countries are called as convention countries. And the application that you file in any of the convention countries is called as convention application. Uh, Now, how you can file convention application is here you file your application in India. Within 12 months from your Indian filing, you can file your application in any country which is member of Paris Convention. Or I can also say that you can file your application in any member state of Paris Convention or or the convention country. So here you file your Indian application, so within 12 months you can direct file your application in whichever country you want, provided that country is a convention country. So here advantage is that you finish all your foreign filing within 12 months from Indian filing. So convention application route should be opted for only when you have few countries in mind where you want to file, and you are very clear about how many countries you are going to file. So you don't expect any addition or deletion in the names of the countries where you want to have patent protection. So convention application filing is very straightforward. You file your Indian application. Within 12 months, you can file in any country which is member state of Paris Convention or which is a convention country. Now, if you do not have any clarity on much clarity, I must say you don't have much clarity on how many countries you want to file in, and you want some more time to decide where you want to file in. So you have another way of filing your international application. So here you file your Indian application, and within 12 months, you have to now file a single application, which is called as PCT application. And PCT is located in WIPO, the World Intellectual Property Organization, located in Geneva. So after your Indian application, within 12 months, you have to file single PCT application, and then taking report from PCT, you can file in whatever countries you want, provided those countries are contracting states of PCT. Now, here I want you to understand one thing very clearly, that PCT is not a granting authority. PCT is a platform only to file application, and through PCT, you can enter into all or whatever countries you want, provided those countries are contracting states of PCT. Now, PCT is nothing but an agreement. So, whichever countries are member of PCT, they have signed a particular agreement and they comply by all the rules and regulations of PCT. The good thing about PCT is that you file single application there, and PCT examines your application and gives you search report. That search report is quite comprehensive, and it gives you a lot of details about your invention, and you can really do a thorough analysis of your invention in terms of whether it's worth entering so many countries or you want only one or two countries to be selected. And once you file your PCT application, you have time to enter different countries, and this time is 30 or 31 months from your date of priority. That is, from your Indian filing, you get 30 or 31 months time to file your patent application in individual country. And in convention application, you get 12 months, but through PCT route, you get 30 or 31 months. So that's why PCT gives you additional time. And another good thing about PCT is that PCT gives you a search report, which is a good reference point for you to decide about how many countries you want to file your application in. PCT has many more advantages. It gives you extra time, no doubt about it. And PCT has a large number of countries that are the contracting states, and you can choose any countries you want from PCT contracting states. And this overall makes your decision very easy about how many countries you want to file. And the good thing is that when you file PCT application and PCT gives you a search report, when you are entering the national phase, then you can always amend your application if you want to. Now, just to give you an example how PCT actually works, now assuming that you want to file your application in China, Japan, US, and Russia. Uh, so if you are opting for PCT route, then you file in India. Within 12 months, you file your application in PCT. PCT gives you a search report. Taking that search report, you can enter the countries of your choice like China, US, Russia, Japan, and this is actually quite good in the sense that apart from these 4 or 5 countries, if you want to add more countries, you can do. You can even drop the number of countries. So, and PCT search report is not binding. You can always refer PCT report, but on national offices, PCT report is not binding. So that's how PCT gives you a lot of liberty on the in terms of time, in terms of choice of countries, and your decision making is ultimately made very easy by going through PCT route. So filing application in a foreign country may have lots of advantages, but you must first of all analyze why you want to file in foreign country and whether it's work to file in a foreign country or your Indian filing is good enough. And if you have made up your mind to file a foreign application, then you must see which route suits you better. I hope you found this video useful. And if you have any comments or you want to have any suggestions on future videos, how you want to see them, please put your comments in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep innovating, keep growing. Good day. Thank you so much.